If you're wondering how to use Monday.com for content marketing, this video is going to give you a quick, practical guide on how to make it work for you. Whether you're managing a team or just organizing your content strategy, Monday.com can be a game changer. But before you dive in, I'll also be showing you some alternatives you might find even more effective for your content marketing needs. Stick around till the end because I'll be revealing an exclusive extended free trial to a tool you may not have considered yet. Let's get into it. First up, Monday.com can really help you manage your content calendar. You can set up a simple board with columns like Idea, In Progress, and Published, which lets your team quickly see where each piece of content stands. The color-coded statuses make everything easy to track. However, while it's a solid option, it can get a bit clunky if you're managing large-scale campaigns with multiple departments. So, make sure you're comfortable navigating the boards before diving into more complex workflows. Next thing, when you're managing tasks for content creation, Monday.com allows you to assign tasks to team members and set deadlines with its task management features. This makes collaboration a lot easier. However, you might find the notifications a bit overwhelming if you're not careful. You'll need to adjust them or risk getting lost in a sea of alerts. This can be especially true when you're tracking multiple pieces of content at once. The third thing you should know about using Monday.com for content marketing is its integration options. It plays well with a lot of other tools like Google Drive, Slack, and Dropbox, which is great for content teams who use a variety of platforms. That said, the integration setup can be a bit confusing for new users. It's not always intuitive, so you may need some time to figure out how to make everything work together smoothly. Next thing, let's talk about automations. Monday.com does allow you to automate a lot of tasks, which can save a ton of time. For example, you can automate status changes when a task is completed or trigger notifications when something's due. But while automations can be a huge time saver, the free version is pretty limited, and you might quickly hit the wall if you need more complex workflows. The fourth thing to consider is the reporting capabilities. Monday.com gives you customizable dashboards where you can track content performance, team productivity, and deadlines. It's useful if you need quick overviews, but it's not as robust as some dedicated content marketing tools. You'll find that Monday.com lacks some of the deeper analytics features that specialized content tools offer. Now, before we wrap up, I want to give you a quick heads up. While Monday.com offers a solid set of features, it might not be the best fit for everyone, especially if you're looking for something specifically tailored to content marketing. If you're managing a smaller team or have specific needs like social media management, there are other options out there that could serve you better. That's where our exclusive link comes in. Through it, you'll get access to a software that could take your content marketing efforts to the next level. Not only will you get a free trial, but you'll also unlock additional benefits only available to our viewers. Plus, I'll tell you about some amazing alternatives that could actually be better suited for your needs and come with their own free trials. So, if you're ready to try out a new tool, make sure you check out the link in the description. You'll be set up with the best free trial and all the extras that come with it. Thanks for watching!